If you want a fast way to save your favorite web page as a shortcut in Firefox, this tutorial is going to help. In just a minute, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut from any web page so you can open it instantly without searching for it again. This is a super simple trick, and it works great for pages you visit often, like dashboards, tools, login pages, or resources you want easy access to every day. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and go to the web page you want to save. It can be any page you use regularly. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure it's fully open and ready. Next, you need to resize or move the Firefox window so that part of your desktop is visible behind it. This is important because you'll be dragging the page icon out of the browser and onto your desktop. If the browser is full screen, shrink it down a little or move it to one side so you can see an empty area on the desktop. Now look at the left side of the address bar. You'll see either a padlock icon or a small tune or information icon, depending on the site. This icon represents the website's identity and security status. Click and hold that icon with your mouse. Don't just click once, you need to hold it down so you can drag it. While still holding the mouse button, drag the icon out of the browser window and move it onto an empty space on your desktop. As you drag it, you should see the icon follow your cursor. Once it's over the desktop, release the mouse button to drop it. That action creates the shortcut right there on your desktop. Now you can double-click that shortcut anytime to open the web page instantly in Firefox. This is especially useful if you want quick access to important sites without typing the address every time. If the shortcut doesn't appear where you expected, just make sure you dropped it onto a clear area of the desktop and not back inside the browser window. Also, remember that this method creates a shortcut to the web page itself, so if the website changes or requires login, it will open the same page when you launch it. And that's it. You've successfully saved the web page as a shortcut in Firefox. It's quick, easy, and one of the simplest productivity tricks for your computer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step browser tips and easy software guides.